Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to download Python. So we should know how to download Python. Firstly, you will have to write Python IDE, then click enter. Going to the official website, that is www.python.org. Click over here. As you know, we have various types of operating system like Unix, Linux, Mac OS. So in my system it is Windows, so I'm just going to click over Windows. As you can see, there are various versions of Python is available here. You can download it according to your needs. Like I'm just going to download Windows installer. It is MSI. You just have to click over it. It will started downloading. So after clicking over here, it will start downloading. As I have already downloaded, so you just have to click over here. After clicking here, the pop-up menu will be there. You have to click install now. After clicking install now, you just have to click yes. So it will take some time as it is going to download some packages and all. You just have to wait. So you can see it is downloaded successfully. To check whether it is downloaded successfully or not, you just have to go to run prompt, write cmd, click OK, and write over here Python -v.